Welcome back to the Project Cave. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for coming by again. Darn glad to see you. As you can see from that intro, today's project is this old Toro CCR 3650 gas-powered single-stage snowblower. Okay, this thing has not been started in years. My old neighbor, they were moving out of their house, so my neighbor Jeff said, you know, hey, if you can get this thing started, here, it's yours. Good luck. And Jeff and Alyssa, miss you guys. You were the best neighbors ever. Love you guys. Anyway, let's take a look at this thing. If you come around to the back side, you'll see the primer bulb is missing. So that's the first thing that has to get replaced. And, you know, hopefully with being a two-stroke engine, it'll be a little easier to work on. So anyway, let's get this thing taken apart and see what we got. Pulled out a bunch of screws, bunch of bolts, got the handle off, the back cover is loose, this cover is loose. However, I can't remove this cover because the chute is in the way. The bolts on the chute are on tight. I've hit it with penetrating oil. I've tried it with a wrench and a small Phillips head screwdriver, a little stubby one, but you know, they just won't come off, so they're gonna have to get cut off. So we're gonna get this thing on the floor and get cutting. This thing is taken apart so we can see what's going on in the whole thing. I got the new parts, a new primer bulb, a little fuel filter, so we're going to get those put on. Hopefully that's the extent of what we need to do and this thing will start up. Let's get to it and see if that's the case. the spark plug sanded, so let's open the garage door, push it outside, see if we can get it started. We are up and running! Yes! I love it when you can get something working again and back in, decent order. So anyway, I don't mind using the pull start. It's got the electric start feature, but I hit that off camera and that was a bad sound coming out of that thing. So, we'll just use the pull start for now, and that's okay. No problem with that. And everything's, lubed up and ready to go. We can change our angle, and hopefully this is going to save my back. We probably won't get any snow now because, well, I have a snowblower. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think with a comment below or what you'd like to see in an upcoming episode. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.